来关心美国德州休斯顿郊区发生亚速钢导火，火势烧对附近的建筑物，当地政府赶紧撤离当地民众。现场嘛有看到一轿车是烧了，所以即马初步是判断讲，可能是这架车去弄到亚速钢线。
Mile away while we watch the flames and the firefighters do their jobs, trying to protect as many properties as they can. And the fire jumping over Spencer Highway, shutting off that road there. So we just have to hope and pray that there are no injuries.
对天顶看落去，涂骹有一空火一直喷出来，边仔有车被烧害，附近的土地也烧到乌草搭，有一寡厝也开始呛烟，警讲会拖烧到边仔的建筑物，消防队一直喷水。
The fire is contained. Some levels of evacuation have been. We've got evacuations that have occurred, which many of the surrounding businesses, there's too many to list, but HEB, Walmart, we've got 2 schools. It's very hot, so a lot of the house structures that are adjacent to that are still catching on fire. Even product that's in that pipeline burns off. It will be hours. If not into tonight or tomorrow.
Do we know what's burning?
It's a liquid natural gas.
导火所在是液化天然气输送管，营运商总部设伫咧德州达拉斯的石油管公司 Energy Transfer， 因讲已经甲管线封起来。初步报告是有一个轿车弄到一寡闸门设施，无讲到正详细。
Mostly due to the radiant heat coming from the pipeline fire. And it was light smoke coming up, no major smoke coming off the structures. They were able to get in there and extinguish.
休斯顿是美国炼油厂工厂甲长几1000公里石油管交汇所在，对全美国上大州德州的居民来讲，是常常听到爆炸甲火灾的消息，也过一寡是会造成性命的危险。相关代志一直发生，互大家做嘛直咧注意讲，对居民的安全措施甲环境的影响做了敢无够。公司新闻黄文玲编译。